Greetings, fellow makers, fabric smiths, and foam fanatics. This is the Real Malky with Ryan's Cosplay Closet. Welcome back to my factory. Obviously, you noticed a giant box on my workbench. I think I know what it is. In fact, it says so right there. So, let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so we didn't exactly think this part through. But what else is new? Off-on switch, very useful. I see we have a USB port and another port. This one, which by the way I'll be calling Merlin, it's another wizard, or the thing that makes things. It's much bigger than Gandalf, as you can see. Also, a prince, much faster than Gandalf, which is really helpful, considering I am not exactly patient. UV covering shroud thingy. Not quite sure what this is, but I will figure it out. Again, don't know what it is, but I'll figure it out. Gigantic resin vat. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. Yes, not only will Merlin make things faster, but also like bigger things, which is very exciting for me. Build plate, ooh, laser engraved, which means things will stick to it better. Or at least that's what the brochure says. I think this is part of the automatic resin refill system. Yes. Power cord and transformer thingy. And finally, I present Merlin. I cannot wait to start playing with this thing. Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that cool fun stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.